Hi, I'm Darcy Charbonneau, Director of Sales of KUKA Robotics. So I wanted to kind of give you guys some sense of what the mega trends that we're seeing in the industry today. With Calvary being a very large partner of KUKA and us moving forward, we really wanted to have that alignment of what we're working towards, what things people want to automate next, right? And I think as an example of what's behind me today is what we're showing is our KMR CYBERTECH. It's what we show as a mobility product, kind of in addition to a robot, right? KUKA is the only company in the industry that actually makes our own mobility and our own robotics and actually be able to merge them together as one company, one technology stacked together. So what you're seeing here today, allowing an application to do either if it's machine tool tending, taking a part in and out of a machine tool, bringing it to another process when it comes to like a precision CMM machine or like an engraving machine. We can do the same thing in additive. So when you're taking a part in and out of a printing unit where it's printing an injection tray and pulling that tray out, we feel mobility is going to be the next part of that industry trend that's jumping forward. We as a robotics company can't do everything. We have to rely on other partners and tech partners to understand if they bring value to the customer, that's where we're seeing that alliance, right? And this solution still requires an integrator. That's why when we're working with Calvary, we're thinking that maybe this could be also the next chance of how do we approach those high mix, low volume types of, or mixed palletizing style customers to understand that this could be the future of automation and the future of logistics. And also what you're also seeing here is our KMP 600, which is our latest AGV platform that also is going to be implemented between the robotics and the AGV world.